Okay, welcome back. What I want to do is to continue with the electrotechnical systems level 3 NVQ. Now this is again in respect of Sittingills 2357 and 5357. Now again let me remind you that the 2357 has been replaced by the 5357, okay? And I believe that change came about in 2018 or somewhere thereabout. Don't hold me to it, check it for yourself. Thank you. Now, the information, when I look at the 5357, there's some information which seems to have been left out in that was in the 2357. But I'm going to provide you with all the information anyway. You extract it and use it as you see fit, okay? And again, here's where we are, okay? Session 3, sources of information. Now, Unit 3 of 5 consists of providing you with information, and I'm not going to talk a lot on this because this is mainly for you to read through for yourself and to do your own research, okay, as well. Okay. So let me just pan back, make sure we get it into full view. Okay. Okay. And here we are. Okay, let me just make sure that we can get this in your full view. Okay. Okay. And again, source of technical information. Again, and this is just showing you, providing you with how to find information. I'm just going to it and make sure that we can get it across. Okay. Yeah, let's run back and make sure we can see frame. Okay. Okay, and again, statutory documents. You look at this in the previous session as well. Okay. Code of practice. CDM 2007. Now again, you will need to look at these regulations for yourself and check that they are still relevant and to confirm that there has not been any changes since. Okay, that is down to you. British standards, okay. And again, I don't need to do a lot of talking here. This you can read and extract for yourselves accordingly. You're now level 3. Okay. Let me just make sure we get a good diagram of that. Okay. Design yourself. And just make sure it's in frame. Okay, good. And here's your wiring diagram. Now, this shows how a system is to be wired. This means all the components should be shown in their correct position and drawn to scale. Okay, that's your wiring diagram. Your block diagrams, okay, here you have, this is your block diagram. This diagram represents the mechanisms and the working system of this, okay. Location diagrams, or I should say location drawings, okay. Then be locating where items are meant to be. So if I have a lighting circuit or a switch over here, or I have a socket on this wall, etc., or that indicates where my lighting points are going to be. Okay. Distribution table route plans. Okay. Okay. And that's your site plan. Let's go into your site plan. Make sure you can see it clearly. Okay. And that comes up on shift. Okay. Technical data, etc. Okay. And again here, make sure you can read it. Okay. Manufacturing instructions. Okay. Bear that in mind. That's meant that provides very useful information. Yeah. Multi choice questions. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. That should be it. I hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.